Hi, I'm Ryan with NinjaTrader. In this video, we'll walk through 5 common mistakes beginners make on the NinjaTrader platform, and more importantly, how to avoid them so that you can build strong habits from day one. If you're just getting started with NinjaTrader, there's a reason you're excited. You've heard about the award-winning platform built specifically for active futures traders. You've seen the advanced charting, powerful order flow tools, customizable workspaces, and flexibility in trading across desktop, web, and mobile. You're ready to dive in and explore it. Then you log in and realize just how much capability is at your fingertips. With so many features, tools, and settings, it's easy to feel overwhelmed at first. That doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. It means you're working with a professional-grade platform designed to grow with you. The good news is that most early mistakes aren't catastrophic. They're part of the learning curve, and many of them are entirely avoidable. One of the most common mistakes is trading live before mastering sim mode. Feeling ready and being operationally ready aren't the same thing. Knowing what to trade is different from knowing how to execute smoothly under pressure. Execution is a skill. Some traders pick it up quickly, but no one is born knowing how to manage bracket orders, adjust stop-loss orders, or react to fast-moving price action. Clicking the wrong order type or misplacing a stop happens more often than you might think. Sim trading gives you room to build muscle memory without the added pressure of real money on the line. In NinjaTrader's simulated trading environment, you can practice entering and exiting trades, get comfortable with different order types, test strategies in live market conditions, and build confidence without financial pressure influencing your decisions. And sim trading isn't just for beginners. Experienced traders regularly return to simulation to test refinements or experiment with new ideas. You can toggle between sim and live accounts in just a few clicks, which means you can stay in sim as long as you need and return to it anytime you want to evaluate a setup. Sim trading isn't practice for someday. It's preparation for consistency. Another early misstep is ignoring order types and advanced trade management, or ATM strategies. Many new traders default to market orders and manage exits manually, treating every trade the same. But trades are dynamic. The way you enter and the way you manage risk should reflect that. A market order executes immediately at the current price. A limit order executes at a specific price or better. A stop order triggers once price reaches your defined level. Each serves a different purpose depending on context and strategy. That covers the entry. Trade management, however, is where structure becomes critical. Advanced trade management, or ATM strategies, work alongside your order type to define how the trade will be handled from the start. Instead of adding stops and targets after you're filled, you can pre-build the structure so risk is defined before the trade is even submitted. That allows you to automatically set stop-loss and profit targets, trail stops as price moves, scale out of positions, and establish risk parameters up front. Order types control how you get in. ATM strategies control how the trade is managed once you're in. When these two elements work together, you're no longer just reacting. You're executing a plan. Another common mistake is overloading charts with indicators. At some point, nearly every trader experiments with adding more tools in search of more clarity. The assumption is that more indicators will produce better decisions. In reality, they just create noise. When too many tools are layered onto a single chart, conflicting signals become more likely. Decision-making slows down, second-guessing increases, and the core message of price action can get buried. One indicator might suggest overbought conditions, while another suggests continuation. In fast-moving futures markets, hesitation caused by mixed signals can quickly translate into missed opportunity. NinjaTrader provides access to more than 100 charting indicators and thousands of third-party tools. The flexibility is powerful, but it's designed to be used intentionally. A strong foundation begins with understanding market structure, support and resistance, price action, and volume. Once that foundation is in place, indicators should complement your strategy, not duplicate the same information in different formats. Cleaner charts often support clearer thinking. Risk management is another area where beginners sometimes underestimate the importance of detail. Futures trading involves margin, and it's essential to understand how that impacts exposure before placing a trade. Initial margin is what's required to open a position. Maintenance margin is what's required to keep that position open. Tick value defines how much each minimum price movement is worth. Contract size determines the total exposure you're controlling. Those variables directly influence your risk. If you're not accounting for contract size and tick value, it's easy to take on more exposure than intended. For example, trading one standard E-mini contract carries significantly more exposure than trading a micro E-mini contract. It's the same market, but a very different risk profile. Fast markets can move several ticks in seconds. Without calculating risk per trade and defining parameters in advance, small price movements can translate into losses that are outsized relative to account size. Risk management isn't an advanced concept. It's a foundational one. Tools like ATM strategies and position sizing features exist to help you define risk up front, but they require understanding and discipline to use effectively. Structure and consistency are what support longevity. Finally, some traders try to figure out everything on their own without investing time in platform education. NinjaTrader is a powerful platform, but power without understanding can lead to frustration. Opening charts and placing trades without walkthroughs or tutorials can result in execution errors, misconfigured charts, confusion around features, and avoidable losses. The platform includes tools like ChartTrader, Superdome, ATM strategies, and customizable workspaces. When you understand how these tools work together, your workflow becomes more deliberate and efficient. When you don't, you may only be using a fraction of what's available. Taking the time to explore help guides, training resources, educational materials, and available support can dramatically shorten the learning curve. Learning how to configure charts properly, place OCO orders correctly, or structure your workspace around your trading style builds clarity, and clarity reduces friction. If you're new to NinjaTrader, remember that most rookie mistakes are rooted in process, not potential. Slowing down, practicing in sim, understanding order types, managing risk intentionally, and learning the platform thoroughly create a strong foundation. Long-term futures trading isn't about doing everything at once. It's about doing the right things consistently. And when your process is structured, your execution has room to improve with confidence and control.